Good morning, children. I welcome you all to this session of mathematics. We are on to decimals, chapter 8. Consider the fractions 7 upon 10, 13 upon 100, and 107 upon 1000. These fractions have denominators as 10, 100, and 1000, right? So those fractions with denominators 10, 100, and 1000 are called decimal fractions. So children, remember only those fractions with denominators which are 10, 100, and 1000, only they are called decimal fractions. Right? There is a short way of representing them. Right? Now see here, 1 upon 10, right? This 1 upon 10, it can be written as 0.1, and we read it as 0.1. Now see, 2 upon 100, it is read as 0.2. 3 upon 10, it is read as 0.3, right? The shaded part of this strip is 4 tenths. 4 upon 10, 0.4, and so on. Now read the following in 8.1. The first is 0.3, right? It is 0.3. The next one is 0.4, right? Then let us write the following. Now 1 upon 10, how are we going to write it? So 1 upon 10 will be equal to 1 upon 10. This will be equal to 0.1, right? 0.1. Also 9 upon 10. This will be equal to 0.9. Okay. Write the decimal of 2 tenths. That is 2 upon 10. So it will be 0.2, and so on, right? Now we can extend the place value chart to the right of the ones to include the tens. See here, 7 upon 10 is 0.7. Now we have 1 4 by 10. So this will be equal to 1.4. 1 ones and 9 tenths. It will be equal to 1.9, and so on, children. Right? Now, how will you read the following? We come to this one, 6.2. So here it is, we will write 6.2. This will be equal to 6 tenths, right? 6 ones and 2 tenths, right? This will be equal to 6, 2 upon 10. So 6 ones and 2 tenths. Like this you will write 6 ones, 2 tenths, TENTHS, right? Okay. Next, read these fractions as decimal. 9 1 upon 10. So this will be 9 ones and 1 tenths, TENTHS, right? Now write these numerals as fractions or mixed numerals, just as the exercise number 1. 2.7, 2, you will write here is equal to, you will write 2 here, 7 by 10, right? This is how you are going to write it as mixed numerals. Now look at the square drawn below. This square has been divided into 100 equal parts. 1/100th of this square has been shaded as 1. So 1 upon 100 is equal to 0.01, right? 0.01. Okay. So let us see this here. 72 upon 100 is written as 0.72. 145 upon 100 is written as 1.45. Once before the decimal and 45 after the decimal. 2193 upon 100, 21.93. How will you read the following? 11.03. 11 whole number 3 upon 100, or 25 whole number 6 upon 100, right? Write these fractions as decimal. See, we have 4 whole number 3 upon 100. So this will be written as 4.03, right? 4.03. Now we come to the thousands, that is 1 upon 1000. It is represented as 0.001, right? This is represented as 0.001. Okay, so see here, 723 upon 1000 is equal to 0.73, 14457 upon 1000 1.457, 21.935 is 21.935. Exercise 8.4, let us see. How will you read the following? 22.035 is, yes, how we will read it? As 21.035, right? We will be reading it as 21.035. Now see, if I have to write this one here, 4 whole number 3 upon 1000. So I will be writing it as 4.003, right? Write these decimals as mixed fraction. 2.061, 2 whole number 61 upon 1000, right? 2 whole number 61 upon 1000. Now let us see their expanded form, right? How we expand it. Now see this chart, please get it very straight in your mind, right? See, if here is the demarcation, then this way it spreads, and then it this way. See, ones, tens, 100, 1000 on this side, and tens, 100 and thousands on that side. So we put the number and we get the answer. Point is this demarcation. This demarcation is the point, right? Okay. Now see this one, 625.713. It is 625, right? 6 hundreds, 2 tens, 5 ones, 7 tenths, 1 hundredths, and 3 thousands, right? Okay, 7, like for example this one, 7 plus 7 by 10, this is 7 ones and 7 tenths. If we have to write the numeral for this, it will be 7.0, sorry, it will be, if I have to write it for this, 7 plus 7 upon 10, it would be 7.7, right? And we will say it as 7 ones and 7 tenths, right? 6.2, if I have to write it as in an expanded form, so I'll be writing it as, see here, 6.2. So the expanded form will be 6 tenths, 6.2. This will be 6 ones and 2 tenths, 2 tenths, right? And similarly, and so on and so forth, right? So now let me cover one last topic here, which is equivalent decimals, right? Equivalent decimals. See, these two are equivalent, 0.2 and 0.20. See here, 0.30 and 0.3 are equivalent. Similarly, 0.9 and 9 upon 10 are, or 0.90, these three are also equivalent here, right? Okay, so let us see 8.6, which of the following are incorrect? 0.5 is equal to 5.50, that is correct. 0.5 is equal to 0.5, incorrect. 0.80 is equal to 0.8, correct, and so on and so forth. So now I stop here. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did in making it, and until we meet again, it's a goodbye.